Hello, my name is Geraldine Thomas and I'm a professional makeup artist that will be recreating Rachel Jones, who is our makeup director for Fashion Art Toronto. Today's makeup look is for the designer Fred and Bean, and it will consist of a beachy look with a mix of a grungy eye look. Let's begin. So one of the most important steps to any makeup look is prepping your skin. Number one, you want to make sure that you cleanse properly, removing any dirt or excess oils. Number two is adding a toner. Now, this is optional but can be very beneficial since it could also help to soothe, calm, and hydrate your skin. Number three is adding a treatment, which is a serum. Now, depending on your concerns, it could also help with any dehydration or also brightening your skin, and it's an anti-wrinkle. As well as number four, which is also optional, but it's an eye cream, eye gel, or an eye balm. Now, this really helps, especially if you're adding a concealer, since there'll be less creasing, but also the fact that it could also depuff, brighten, and hydrate around the eye area. And number five is your final step, which is sealing it all with a moisturizer. Now you're done and you can begin with your makeup. Now that my skin has been prepped, I am ready now for the makeup. So right now we're going to be doing a very beachy, beautiful look with adding a little bit of a grunge around the eyes, like a grunge black liner around the eyes. So let's take this step by step, and you'll be able to achieve with whatever you have, you'll see. So right now what I'm going to be using is I'm going to be using a tinted moisturizer. So just like something very soft, and I'm adding a little bit of a drop, and the one that I'm using is actually the Laura Mercier one. So this one, I'm using my brush, but you can also use your hands as well. I will mix it up with a little bit of this NARS. It has like a bronzy kind of a like tint to it. So of course this is brand new. So I'm just gonna mix it up a little bit there together, and just so I can have like a bronzy look. And then I'm just gonna add it all over to my skin, just very softly. I'm using a very soft brush. Here we go. So this is the first step. I'm just gonna add a little bit more of this. There. Okay, so the other thing now is I've done the skin. Now I'm gonna be doing a little bit the eyes. Summer bronzy, kind of a coppery look. You can look for this or any type. I'm sure that everybody must have some sort of bronzy colors. So I'm going to be using this all over my eye, as you could see. So this is just like I'm using a very fat, flat brush. Okay. And then I'm just gonna put a little bit like right under my eyes. So just with a fluffy brush. Just go over right around. right here. Okay, now I'm gonna be taking that same coppery color that I have, and I'm just gonna add also just a little bit like around the cheeks, going upwards like a bronzy, giving it so we really want to have that beach look. So everything is so soft. You just want to go softly. You don't have to, see, just like that. Okay. So this is like already just one of the first looks that we're gonna do. And of course, I'm gonna be taming the brows because we want to tame the brows. I want to make sure that they're nice and pretty and tamed. So I am using, this one is from e.l.f. There's also other ways of taming them by just using like a little spoolie, and you can also put some hairspray on it and you can just brush it over. When I mean a spoolie is like I would say like something like this, and you can just put like some hairspray on it and you can just brush them over like that, and it will also tame them perfectly. So this is one of the looks. Now, of course, the mascara, but we're gonna do that at the end because we're gonna be doing some, we're gonna be putting some black liner now. Now, I'm gonna be using the one that I have here, which I use actually in another video that I did. This one's from Laura Mercier. It's like a little black shadow. Of course, because I'm gonna go very close and I usually wear glasses, so I'm gonna have to use like a mirror to do this, but obviously you'll be able to see. So we're gonna smudge the outer corner and also just a little bit, like we're just gonna do like a grungy look. Now, if you can't do this, then it's fine, you know, because they will have makeup artists there that could finalize the look for you. So that's also okay. Now you want to also do the bottom. So it's like a grungy. No, it's not messy, but maybe a little bit, but no worries. You can just do this and you can do that. And then you're obviously going to be taking a brush to help you with smudging it. So there we go. I'm going to take a brush, of course, and which is going to help me with just giving it that more of a precise. So as you could see, I am just going to also go in the inner corner. Okay, if you miss the inner corner, you can just add a little bit more right in the inner corner like that, and I'm going to put a little bit more because I'm missing some. and just go like this. So it's actually like a grungy look. It should be like dirty and like very, so it's a mix of both. So we have some beach look with the grungy that makes it all. So there we go. Very easy. Now I'm going to do the other side. Curl them a little bit because I find it just opens that eye a lot more, as you could see. So whew. And I'm gonna pack it with some mascara. This one, you can do like 2 coats. This is there we go. Okay, now to make it even more grungier, you're going to there. Just add more into your waterline. So you see like it's gonna make it more of a black look. Like a there we go. Now that's really what we're going for, and you can smoke it out it more. You want it to be you can go a little bit on top, just blend it. Keep it like that. And if you want to add a little bit more of the bronzy, you can add a little bit more of the bronzy. And just whatever is left of your brush, just add it on top. Do a little bit more. As you can see, I didn't put any powder on. I'm meaning setting powder. I'm going to do it at the end. Sometimes we break rules. Okay, so again, a little bit more of this and a little bit more of that. There we go. On that bronzy looking skin. So whatever is left of your brush, you just go over. And for that look of that you just got like a little tan on your nose, you can take the same bronzy and just go over right around here. So it looks like it was just slightly burned from the sun. There. Okay, now you're gonna be using I'm gonna be using a lip gloss actually. This one's from Fenty Beauty. I'm just gonna dab a little bit on my palette here that I have. And with my finger, I'm just gonna take it. Just a nice natural lip. And there we go. So this is it. So in case you're unable to do the grungy eye look, then no worries, you can have it done at the show. There's going to be some makeup artists there, but obviously there's not probably a lot of makeup artists, but still. So you'll be able to have some help for sure. Okay, so hopefully this is going to help you. It was really easy, and that was it. Hope you like it.